Airway. Anatomy of upper airway. Physiology of air movement in upper airway. Introduction. Airway must remain free from obstruction to enable effective respiratory function and thus sustain life. Remember, if the client has stopped breathing, initiate artificial breathing. Airway management is the medical process of ensuring there is an open pathway between a patient's lungs and the outside world, as well as reducing the risk of aspiration. Airway management is a primary consideration in cardiopulmonary resuscitation, anesthesia, emergency medicine, intensive care medicine, and first aid. Definition. Air is defined as a passage through which the gas passes during respiration, or in practice of airway management it is described as any artificial device with a lumen to aid ventilation or serve as a conduit to endotracheal intubation. These include intubation, laryngeal mask airway (LMA), oropharyngeal airway, nasopharyngeal airway, or several varieties of laryngeal mask airway. Type of oropharyngeal airway. Description. It extends from lips to pharynx, fitting between tongue and posterior pharyngeal wall, made up of elastomeric or plastic material. Parts are phalanx. It is at buccal end of prevent it from moving deeper into mouth and may also serve to fix airway in place. Bite protein. It is site and fits between teeth or gums. Next. Curved protein extends backward to correspond the surface of tongue. The American National Standard specifies that the size of oropharyngeal airway be designated by color, the length in semis. Size 000, color violet, length 3.5 semi. Next, 00 size, color blue, length 4.5 semi. Size 0, color black, length 5.5 semi. Size 1, color white, length 6.5 semi. Size 2, color green, length 7.5 semi. Next, size 3, color orange and length 8.5 semi. Size 4, color red, length 9.5 semis, and size 5, color yellow and length 10.5 semi. Color and size of airway. Color. Oropharyngeal airway, oropharyngeal tube in place. Oropharyngeal airway. An oropharyngeal airway, oral airway, is a curved rubber or plastic parachute that insert into the mouth and maintains a patient airway to the pharynx. The purpose of oropharyngeal airway is to hold the tongue forward. They are placed in the mouth between the posterior pharynx and the base or root of the tongue. Next, careful oral hygiene is essential when an oral airway is in place. Mucus and other matter may collect in the mouth, which may be aspirate into the lungs, causing pulmonary infection. Interference with pulmonary gas extends the poor condition of the oral cavity. Insert the oropharyngeal airway. Oropharyngeal airway prevents the tongue from occluding the airway bite block. Should reach from the mouth to the angle of the jaw. Insertion adults. Ensure concavity facing roof of the mouth. Next, insert 1/3, rotate 180 degrees over the tongue. Next, advance until flange against lips. Then insertion pediatric. Concavity follows the curve of the tongue to avoid hard and soft palate trauma. Oropharyngeal airway. Inserting oropharyngeal airway. Select the proper size corner of the mouth to tip of the ear. Next, open the patient's mouth. Insert the OPA with the tip facing the roof of the mouth. Next, advance while rotating 180 degree. Next, continue until phalanx rest on the teeth. Next, infants and child's insertion. Recognition and prevention of airway obstruction. Causes: loss of control of tongue and cryopharyngeal muscles. Recognizing nausea, snoring, inspiratory sound, marked inspiratory effort without ventilation, forceful contraction of thorax and neck muscles, complete obstruction. Prevention or nursing intervention. Place person in a side lying position with the neck extended. Insert on oral airway. Reposition as above. Insert oral airway. Auscultate chest to assess ventilation. If no ventilation, call for help. See cardiopulmonary resuscitation in chapter 30. Next, causes excess mucus in the airway. Recognizing wet gargling noise with respiration loss, wet sounding cough. Prevention or nursing intervention. Side lying position to promote drainage of mucus. Suctioning if thick, increase hydration. Next, paralysis of vocal cord, swelling of soft tissues, laryngeal edema, epiglottitis. tracheal tumors or stricture swelling or tumors of oropharyngeal or of extra airway. Example: enlarged thyroid, larynx, medial sternal tumors, enlarged thyroid. Recognition: stutter, impaired phonation, restlessness, dyspnea, increased anxiety or other indications of separate gas exchange. Diminished bilateral birth sound when auscultation over trachea. Note an increase in the degree of turbulent airflow. Difficulty swallowing. Note if epiglottis is swollen or if extratracheal marks impingence on the esophagus. Trachypnea, dyspnea, inability to take a deep breath, visible swelling of thyroid gland. Other laboratory and radiologic procedures required for absolute diagnosis. Next, prevention or nursing intervention. Call to physician's attention immediately. Administer supplemental oxygen, vasoconstrictive or anti-inflammatory drugs if indicated. Place in a high followers position to ensure optimal ventilation. Have emergency tracheostomy tray available. Prepare for use if respiratory arrest occurs. Report immediately. Prepare person for diagnosis and therapeutic procedures. Support respiratory and oxygenation. Next, causes: aspiration of foreign object. Example: teeth, food. Aspiration of stomach contracts. Next, recognize: dyspnea, cyanosis, other indication of respiratory distress and hypoxemia. Decrease breath sound over affected areas. Bronchi over affected area. Next, prevention or nursing intervention. Prevention or nursing intervention: auscultate chest, routinely observe and assess respiratory status routinely. Report and change in condition immediately. Fever, change in breath sound. Prepare person for diagnostic measures. Example: fibroscopic bronchoscopy, chest X-ray and medication. This is nasopharyngeal airway. Nasopharyngeal airway, nasal airway or nasal trumpets are cabless tubes passed through the nostrils and into the nasopharynx. They are made of soft rubber or plastic. When inserted into the nares nasal passages, they act as a guide for the insertion of a suction catheter. This prevents trauma to the mucous membranes of the nose. A nasal airway extends into the pharynx and is positioned at the base of the tongue from the posterior pharyngeal wall. Prevention and obstruction from the tongues falling into the pharynx. The proximal end nearest the nostrils of a nasal airway is fat and fits against the external is insertion of a large safety pin through the flamed end stops the airway from slipping further into the nose or larynx. Next, nasal airway are more appropriate and comfortable for conscious and semi-conscious people than are oropharyngeal airway. This picture also nasopharyngeal airway. Nasopharyngeal airway useful in patients with airway obstruction, especially in oropharyngeal airway inappropriate. Next, connect size research from tip of patient's nose to ear lab size 6 or 7 and 8 millimeter. Lubricate end of tube with lubricating jelly. Next, absence devised along floor of nasopharynx following curvature until phalange rest against the nostril. Next, insert into nostril, usually right, with bevel facing nasal sputum. Inserting of nasopharyngeal airway procedure. Supine position of prim surface. C in stabilized. Select proper size nasopharyngeal airway. Its diameter smaller than the nostrils, approximately determine diameter of casualty little finger length. Measure from tip of nose to ear lab. Next, first check the nostril for sign of fractures or obstruction, then apply generous amounts of a water-based lubricant to the NAP, taking care not to fill the tip with the lubricant. Next, orient the bevel end so that it will pass along the inside of the nasal cavity with minimal effort. This is laryngeal marks airway. This LMA laryngeal marks airway comes in size 3, 4, 5, small, medium, large. Next, great for ventilation. Next, insertion areas if you have deep anesthesia. Next, does not protect against aspiration. Then, not able to deliver high pressure ventilation. And useful for difficult airway and failure laryngoscopy. Type and color of LMA. Laryngeal marks airway insertion position. neck flexed and head extended. Then use non-inserting hand to stabilize occupant. And then jaw should be pulled down by assistant. Then LMA tube B grasped like a pen with linked finger pressing the point where the tube joint marks. Then place the tip of the LMA against the inner surface of the patient's upper teeth. Then aperture facing forward, the tips pressed upward against the head plate. Next, marks is advanced into pharynx to ensure that tip remains flattened and avoid the tongue. Neck is kept flexed and head extended. Then press the marks into the posterior pharyngeal wall using the index finger. Continue pushing with your index finger and guide the marks downward into position. Then grasp the tube firmly with the other hands and then withdraw your index finger from the pharynx. Then press gently downward with your other hand and ensure the marks is fully inserted. Insertion of LMA. This picture is laryngeal marks airway. LMA indication. LMA is an appropriate airway for short procedures and emergency situations. Next, can be used as rescue airway and fiber optic conduit when intubation is difficult. Next, can be used for bronchoscopy in awake patients. Complication use LAMA. 1. Oral trauma. 2. Aspiration. Incorrect position hypoxia. Then dislodged. Summary: rapid effective airway management. Next, is of insertion. Next, airway is self-anchored. Next, position balloon protects from oral secretion. Next, posterior balloon can be deflated for visualized during endotracheal intubation. Thank you.